Hi, I'm Heather from blendhappy.com. Today I'm making a homemade plant food mixture. And we do that with eggshells, coffee grinds, and banana peels. So we've been accumulating a breakfast mixture for about over a week now. And you can compost this stuff, or again, you can just put it straight into your plants or garden. The coffee grinds have nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, minerals that support plant growth, and the eggshells are made of calcium, and then we have the banana peel for potassium. So collecting these breakfast goods for over a week now, and I'm ready to blend them up to make my homemade plant food. And this is in my Vitamix Professional Series 750 blender. You can do it in any Vitamix blender. I wouldn't try on the lower end blenders just because I don't know, that could really make your blender stuck. This is high speed, very high power. It has a 4-pronged, very sharp blade that I have to wear gloves when I'm scrubbing in here so I don't cut myself. And I just love, love, love this plant mixture because it makes your fruits and vegetables grow better, especially tomatoes and roses. And it's just so cool to see the difference. I need to just do like a little, demonstration of like a week after plant food and a week without plant food, same plant, something like that. That'd be cool. So I'm going to stick it all into the blender, add a little bit of water just to get things moving along, and then you add it into your garden or plants at any time just as some extra plant nutrients. So don't spend money on the Miracle-Gro or anything else. You can just make your own homemade stuff. So here we go. The Vitamix plant food. Let's get blending. So we're going to take our egg shells and just leave them whole because the Vitamix is strong enough to break them up. The banana peels, same thing. Make sure there's no stickers on them. And just shove it all in. This is going to be a lot. Coffee grind. So I'm just going to add this in. Might get a little messy. Going to add the water. And you can really add the water first. That's a good idea because that's how the Vitamix works. You add your liquid and then your solids. But that's okay. I can see the liquid, so that's good. And then we're going to go on head down to the batters button just to make like a nice little batter out of this. And you can also manually do it by coming over to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 side and pulsing as much as you want, or just leaving it on pulse. So I'll show you manual. So you're gonna bring it to 1, 2, 3, start low, hold it down, let go. And then you can increase speed. But the batter does the same thing. It starts off low and then increases. Here we go. Make my arm vibrate. There we go. Level 1 is good. Nice, gentle. All right, and here we go. Let's take a look at this fine ground concoction. Oh, that's amazing. Look at that. It looks like dirt. This is so cool. It's just unbelievable. I've used it before. I love this stuff. That is so cool. It's like being a kid playing with dirt again. So you're going to add this into your soil and just soil with the plants or vegetables or anything you want. And just do it, I'd say, weekly for a little bit or every 2 weeks. And yeah, so that's it. That's how you make your own homemade plant food mixture in your Vitamix blender. Thanks so much for watching.